Are you planning to remodel your kitchen in 2025? Then you've probably thought about adding a kitchen island. And let's be honest, it's no longer just a countertop in the middle of the room. Today's kitchen islands are about style, storage, and smart functionality. In this video, I'll show you the top trending kitchen island designs for 2025, from minimalist modern looks to multifunctional islands that double as dining tables. Whether you have a small space or a luxury kitchen, these ideas will help you choose the perfect design. 1. Minimalist and sleek islands. Minimalism is still a big trend in 2025. Clean lines, simple shapes, and clutter-free designs are the way to go. Waterfall countertops, where the countertop material flows down the sides for a seamless look. Matte finishes, soft neutrals like white, beige, and gray that blend effortlessly into modern interiors. Handle-free storage, cabinets with push-to-open systems for a clean, elegant appearance. Pro tip: minimalist islands look best with hidden storage to keep the surface spotless. 2. Multifunctional kitchen islands. 2025 is all about making the most of your space. Kitchen islands are becoming the ultimate multitasking stations. Built-in appliances, dishwashers, microwaves, or even wine coolers built directly into the island. Pull-out dining extensions. Perfect for small homes, your island can expand into a breakfast table. Hidden charging stations. Keep phones and tablets powered while cooking or dining. Extra deep storage drawers. 4 pots, pans, and bulkier items. This makes your island more than just a prep station. It becomes the heart of the kitchen. 3. Luxury-inspired islands. For homeowners who want a bold, luxurious statement, 2025 brings stunning design options. Marble and quartz surfaces. Dramatic veining and polished finishes for a high-end feel. Two-tone designs. Contrasting colors like black and white or wood with stone. Backlit islands. Islands with LED lighting underneath for a modern, glowing effect. Oversized islands. Perfect for open-plan kitchens, doubling as both work and entertainment zones. Pro tip: pair a luxury island with stylish pendant lights to create a dramatic centerpiece. 4. Natural and rustic styles. Not all islands need to look sleek and shiny. Natural and rustic designs are trending too. Wood countertops. Warm, earthy tones that make the kitchen feel cozy. Stone or concrete finishes. Durable and stylish, with a raw, organic look. Open shelving on the sides. Perfect for displaying dishes, cookbooks, or decor items. Mixed materials. Combining wood with stone or metal for a balanced style. This style works especially well for farmhouse kitchens or those who want a homier feel. 5. Compact and space-saving islands. Even if your kitchen is small, you don't have to miss out on the island trend in 2025. Rolling islands. Mobile designs on wheels that can be moved when not in use. Slimline islands. Narrow but long designs that fit tight layouts. Foldable extensions. Countertops that fold down to save space. Convertible designs. An island that doubles as a work desk or dining bar. These smart solutions make islands possible for apartments and smaller homes. So those are the top trending kitchen island designs for 2025. From sleek minimalist looks to luxurious statement pieces and smart space-saving options. A kitchen island isn't just about style. It's about creating a space that works perfectly for your lifestyle. Which design would you choose for your kitchen? Sleek modern, rustic natural, or a multifunctional island? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on modern kitchen cabinets, dining room trends, and interior design tips for 2025. Because in today's homes, the kitchen island isn't just furniture. It's the centerpiece of modern living.